Welcome the our channel. Today we how to withdraw from TikTok creativity program to PayPal step by step clearly. Open TikTok and log into your account. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, click the three dots in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down and select balance from the list. In the balance section, you will see your available earnings. If you are part of the TikTok creativity program, look for withdrawal options. Select withdraw to begin the process. Choose PayPal as your preferred withdrawal method. If you haven't linked your PayPal account yet, tap on Link PayPal and follow the provided instructions. Log into your PayPal account to link it to TikTok. Once linked, you can choose the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter the desired amount in the specified field. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the withdrawal by tapping the Confirm button. Wait for a notification confirming your withdrawal request is successful. Typically, funds will appear in your PayPal account within a few business days. Keep an eye on your PayPal account for the completed transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.